Do you know many people are having trouble with turning on closed captions on their LG TV? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open menu. Press the Settings or Menu button on your remote to open the TV's main menu. Step 2. Find Accessibility. Navigate through the menu using the arrow keys and find the Accessibility option. Step 3. Select CC options. Within Accessibility, look for Closed Captioning, CC, or Subtitle options. Step 4. Enable Captions. Enable Closed Captioning by selecting the appropriate option from the menu. Step 5. Confirm changes. Confirm your selection, exit the menu, and captions should appear on supported content. Now, you should be able to watch your shows with closed captions enabled on your LG TV. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.